Is Panasonic Smart TV Android? Let's clarify. No, Panasonic Smart TVs do not run on the Android TV platform. Instead, they use Panasonic's proprietary smart platform called My Home Screen. This interface provides access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video, but it is more basic and less versatile compared to Android TV or other platforms like Samsung's Tizen OS. While My Home Screen is simple and user-friendly, it lacks the extensive app ecosystem and customization options of Android TV. If Android TV is essential for you, brands like Sony or TCL might be a better fit. That said, Panasonic Smart TVs are still a solid choice for those who prioritize picture quality and reliability over advanced smart features. Always check the model specifications if Android TV functionality is important to you. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.